morning. We just left Walmart. I'm gonna start that again. What up, good morning. We just went to Walmart and got some stuff for our kitchen. And now we're heading over to Sears because we gotta buy a fridge. So we don't have to use my mini fridge anymore. Are you happy about not using my mini fridge anymore? Yes. Driving. Oh, sorry. See you guys. Well, you just bought a fridge. How do you feel? Poor. Thanks, Sears, for taking our money. Your money, not my money. Come back. Kitty. The elusive cat. Cat of the neighborhood. That cat just walks around.
Cat, that's my house.
Hey. We got a lot of new kitchen stuff. Yeah, bowls. We got new cups. Some Pyrex. This little toaster oven. Sweet. Save energy. Taylor and Mandela came home while I was sleeping.
Hey, I don't have a shirt on.
Oh, Mandela's naked. And I won't point it at you. But Taylor came home and Riley's our friend, he was texting them and said to come over and play some pool. So I think we're gonna go play some pool. Yeah.
When you connect and all the left tonight, who says the others have to know?
Look, Harry Potter stairs. Yes.
The original Xbox.
Alright, this is Popo. Say hi to the internet. We got Riley, Mandela, Taylor, Adam, and then Sadie's around here somewhere. The owner of the house. Yeah. We're playing some ping pong.
I'm not dying today. Hey, did you see the new vlog?
You have a charger here?
What?
Hey, did you see the new one?
No, I ain't seen it. Was it today?
Well, yeah, I posted 2 today because I didn't post
You
them
know
yesterday.
when James was fighting the cat?
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
Oh, yeah. I see you, Riley. Hey, yo, playing pool.
Let's start in the crowd. I'm right here. We're doing that shit, boy. Fuck up the whole camp. Don't turn around and go.
Popo, you're doing great.
Hey, I know it's never gonna
You're doing great. Alright.
No, you still not won't make it. You want to put $5? I told you, bro. And tell the vlog why you missed it.
I missed it because of him. So
What up? Mandela and I are back at my house. Yeah, we left the party kind of quick, so I didn't vlog it because everyone was getting tired, so we just kind of left. But yeah, Mandela and I are going to stay and watch a movie. I might fall asleep. But yeah, Mandela's going to stay the night, so we're going to watch a movie, and then I'm going to go to bed. So yeah, I'm just going to say goodnight now because we're just going to watch a movie. So see you guys tomorrow.